So we have a problem. How do we swipe left on a screen which is broken on our iPhone? It is luckily pretty simple to do. So let me show you how it could easily be done. So you need to enable the assistive touch in your settings. So when you open up these settings on your iPhone, head over to the accessibility menu marked by this blue icon, then tap on touch, and at the top of the screen you have assistive touch. And when you have this option turned on, what you can do is to scroll down a bit more, and there you are going to be able to find the devices. So these are like pointer devices. This means that you can pair any sort of Bluetooth mouse with your iPhone and use it to control the device even without touching the screen. So it's very useful. You can perform all of the swipes and slides as much as you like. This luckily works with any kind of Bluetooth mouse. I personally use like this very old and like cheap one, so it's not like you can only use the Apple one. Also, as you already have the assistive touch turned on, you can play around with these toggles as well. Some of them may become useful for you, for example, the home button or locking the screen. You have some device control where you can get to the control center or rotate the screen and do stuff like this, go to the app switcher. If you have problems with controlling the device because of a broken screen, the assistive touch is most definitely a great way to replace some of the functionality. So let me know below if you managed to get it to work. I honestly hope that you did. Subscribe to Foxtecc so you never miss tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you in the next video in the future.